In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find Facebook Marketplace inbox. Alright, so I'm starting by going to Facebook, and once the page loads, I'm on the main home screen where all the navigation options are available. From here, I'm looking over to the left side of the screen where the menu is located. Now I'm going to click on Marketplace on the left side, so I'll select that and it will open up the Marketplace section where listings and related features are shown. Once Marketplace loads, I'm going to look for the inbox option within Marketplace, so I'll click on Inbox, and this will take me to the messages and notifications related to Marketplace activity. At this point, the Marketplace inbox is open and I can now see all my inbox notifications in one place. These are the conversations and messages connected to items I've listed or interacted with on Marketplace. I'm just going to scroll through and review the messages here, and everything related to Marketplace communication will be visible in this inbox section. It's all organized so I can quickly check replies, inquiries, or any updates tied to my listings, and that's really all there is to it. Once you click into the Marketplace inbox, all of your notifications and conversations are displayed right there for you to view. So yeah, that's how you find the Facebook Marketplace inbox. You go to Facebook, open Marketplace from the left side, click on Inbox, and then you'll be able to see all your Marketplace inbox notifications in one place.